Before you begin, remove the main service door, keyboard, drive service door, and top cover. Removal. Using minimal force, carefully pry up the inside edges of the display bezel from the top, sides, and bottom to disengage it from the display enclosure. Important: the edges of the display bezel are held in place with double-sided adhesive. Take care when removing them from the display enclosure. Unhook each side of the hinge cover from the hinges to remove the display bezel. Replacement. Hook the hinge cover of the display bezel into position over the hinges. Firmly press down on the inner and outer edges of the display bezel to reattach it to the display enclosure.